Hello, hello, hello. Let's see who we have. Who we have here? Three people. Show yourselves. Who's this? Let's just wait to gather some more people. Hi, Maurice. Just like me. Hello, Ricardo. Hello. How are you doing, guys? Let's just wait a little bit more to gather some more people. Let's say about 5, 10 minutes, and we're good to go. Can you hear me well? Let me know if you can hear me well. So everything is it's okay to have the best class possible we can. Five people. Harvard University live now. Yes, we are live now. Perfect. Just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Let's get some more information. There are some people getting out from the sales conference that also help us with. We're 7. Okay, 9. This is growing. Let's go. 11. Hi, Monica Diaz. Hello. Oh, okay, let's see. Ricardo Matos has already one question. I like to know how to add download from App Store and Google Play images, social media, visa. Yeah, I will show you that actually today. I will show you how to modify the footer. Also add some images such as the download from the stores. I will show you. I will show you. Don't worry about it. Ed, hi. How are you? Just wait 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes. Hi, Hilary. Hello. Just 3 more minutes. If you have any questions, you can start typing them in the chat. I will get back to them as soon as I can. We are 14 right now. Let's see how up it goes. 2 more minutes. 16. Welcome everyone who's here. 18. One more minute, and let's get you started. We already are 18, which I think is good. It's very good. Andres Gonzalez. Hey, how are you? Okay, great. Nice. I'm happy you're doing great, Andres. We're almost starting this. 1 more minute. I think that's it. Let's get started, guys. So, for those who know me and those who don't, my name is Mauricio. I'm part of the Mexico team here at Ordering. I am taking care of marketing. Today, in these past weeks, we are talking about some uh, ways that the platform works and how it works and everything. Today's lesson is the website footer. I will show you how to use that tool, which is very helpful and professional in the bottom of your website, right? I will show you that. This video gets uploaded at the end of the session, so if you wanted to see it later, feel free for it. Feel free. There are some guides at the description. Be sure to see the video again and again if you have any more doubts. Let's jump into it. So, as in all the lessons, let me close this so we can start fresh. Okay, no new incognito. We will use the demo, my demo. This is just like the way yours look at the beginning. After that, you start doing a lot of changes. The easy way to set up this footer is just to log in as a super admin. Let's see if I can get it at the first time now. No. Let me try. What was it? Yeah. Okay, we're in. If you are having any questions or I'm going too fast, just type them in the chat and I will get back to answer everything. So now I am logged in as a super admin, right? Also, let me open the article that will help you a lot. I'm going to go in the user's guide and here I am going to type footer, the way to edit the footer. Now I open it. Here are all the steps This will be in the description also, so don't you forget to take a look if you need some more information. So as we can see here, this is already inside the admin area, right? In the footer section. I will go just there. We click admin area, a super admin area more. Here we have the language manager. Here the language manager, allow this. We can see this tool that we already talked about in a few classes. This is the language manager module where you can change any text that you have in the platform. Let's say, for example, now that we're changing the footer, so we look, for example, for this one. Let's say, let's write down title one edit, and as you can see, it'll pop up here. And now we can just change the tagline here. Let's put it as I don't know, ordering ink or ordering website. I don't know. This will be your website's footer, right? Hello, Jacin. Welcome, welcome. Now that we changed that, let's look for the link one underscore one, link one underscore one. So as we can see here, we have footer QL1, uh, footer QL2, QL3. This means that this is the footer section, the quarter, the line, the first column, and this is the first uh, link in the three options, right? This is the name. Let me save this. So I will show you how to put the link and change it. Let's say, for example, I will change it here to about us, right? And now, as we can see here, the href pops, which means is a click. This is the click. I will use the one that we have on our site, on ordering site, the about us one. So I will show you how it redirects. So we have it here, the site. Click here, and then just put here instead of the hashtag, put the new link. Everything gets saved automatically. So now let's just go back, clear cache, so we can see the changes. Okay, I will hard reload this. If this is not showing yet, it's because of the cache, so it'll take just a few minutes. I am forcing it for the purpose of the video, right? Let me open a new incognito window so we can see the changes. What is your demo? Okay. As you can see, oh, I put just about you. It's about us, but yeah, you understand. So now these are changed because I changed all this in the how do you say it, in the language manager inside the ordering editor, right? And now if I click here, it'll send me to the link that I just set in the language manager. That way you can create a lot of pages to make your site look more professional, right? Now, what about if you don't have another website where you can link this this to link these options, right? Maurice Jensen, it's behind your video? What do you mean? Everyone can see me, right? Please let me know if everyone can see me right, please. The changes you have made behind. I couldn't understand, Maurice. What do you mean? Well, I think we're good to go. Ricardo says yes. Well, if something happens, please let me know in the chat. I will answer as soon as I see it. Okay, let's continue. Let me close this. Also, let me see. Give me just 1 second. Let me close. Oh, never mind. The picture of your bottom left of the screen. Oh, okay. I understand now. Okay, okay, okay. I will put myself just. I think that works. I couldn't see that. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Let's continue. So it is changed here. Uh, um, it is changed here. I put about you, but it's about us. But well, I just have to change it in the language manager, right? So this is the way to change these things easily, right? But however, if you don't have, like I was mentioning before, if you don't have like a page that you can link this button to, this is how this is going to work. At ordering, we have the ordering builder tool where you can create pages with your domain and just adding a slash. Let me show you what I mean. Uh, okay. Let me get in my builder. This is my builder. We go in my project. We go in edit my website. This is my website. I think this is going to. What about if I do something like this and uh, this? You can still see it, I think. Okay, I will just be like that. I think you can see it. Just make YouTube bigger. It's a good resolution. Okay, so here we have the sidebar menu of my builder, right? And here we have a section called pages. In pages, you can create some pages for your site. For example, let's say here, news, right? We set up a name for this page, news. The type will be content. For now, we can leave it like that. The theme, always save it as ordering web because this page in specific is for ordering website, and we are inside the ordering websites too. We add this, successfully added. We have we have to let the system reload. Well, now we go in actions. We edit the content, which is what is inside this page. Click on the pencil. This is very basic. Oh, I click home. Sorry, sorry. This is a very basic view of the CMS kind of uh, tool. Let me get back in pages. Okay, edit content. Okay, click pencil. So there are. This is very limited. I mean, To inform things, it works, but if you need something more advanced, you can either play with all this or create an HTML and just embed it here. There are a few ways. If you want to add a picture, you have here a few options. Let's put the new ordering class, how to use the footer, or something like that. Then if we click enter, we can set up a video. Let's put the YouTube video that we are right now. Just insert this. I mean, you can play with everything you have here. And then you, for example, you save it, right? We have to center this. So now we go back home, let it load. Now that this is created, the page is created, we have to do a little change, different change, not as simple as we did the last time because this is a brand new page, not a link that was already created. I'm going to show you the documentation that we are working on right now. So we did this, we already did these steps, and now we have to add, here's the where we are right now. Oh, what I did. Okay, make this bigger. Here we have to go inside the language manager tool and put this new new URL, right? So for example, if we check this example, I will show you. Oh no, this is over here. I will show you. We have to put, for example, now pages slash the name of my app, which in this case is news. So we have to go log in as a super admin. Now this password, then go in more, language manager, and now I'm going to change the second one, the link 2. So allow this link 1 underscore 2. Oh, footer q, no, what was it? Footer, let me show more options here. Footer underscore ql1. Here's the one, the 2. We're looking for the 2. Okay, here is going to be called news, and the href will be just like we mentioned in the article. It will be to the URL. You have to put pages and slash name of the new page, which is news, the one that we created. Pages slash news. Let me confirm that. Here we have it. Yeah, it's news pages. So now that we are here and this is changed, let me grab this. I will refresh the editor. I will look for the change. It is made. Now let's try to clear. I will open a new incognito because of the cache to see to force it. Okay, let it load. And now it is changed to news. Bigger. My image is not messing with the video this time. News, and if I click, it sends me to the page. Oh, we did something wrong with the URL. Let me look for it. My ordering, the help. Okay, this is the builder. Now pages with CMS. Okay, where were we? So let me make this bigger. Um, so this is the page footer. So we follow that to click cache. Oh no, that's something else. The name about us. Oh, this is to create the pages in the different situation. Because you can also create the pages inside your builder. Sorry, your editor. Let me show you how. Just by clicking in the. I don't see it active in this. Let me check the demo, the principal one. If not, I have to activate this. I have to activate it. Login, super admin. So I want to create this kind of. Oh yeah, that was for this kind of pages. So let me go back here. Not that we have removed, not that we have changed the part where in the builder. Okay, I have to add it in the footer file. This is the one I was looking for. Sorry. So this is changed. This is changed already, but following the station. I remember I need to delete. No, but this is if we have another website. If not, we will have to create the page here. Language manager pages. Okay, let me take a quick look at this because I think I'm having cache or version issues. Okay, let's say this one is 9 seconds. Okay, what will it do? Just go to clear cache only. New page created. Let me see the build. So apologize on the situation. Something happened here. Pages. Then we go here. News. There's already a content. So if we put here, oh, pages, news, this should be the one popping up the new page, but it's sending this for some reason. Oh, what about pages? Let me try with HTML, which I think is the one that we're looking for. So we create that. Now to search and replace. Custom files, no. No. CMS. App pages. Oh no, the app can also have pages, by the way. So let me get back to this one because for some reason it's not working right now. So oh, this is low. Okay. Click the content. Click to remove. Okay, this is nothing. Static pages. Let me take a quick look at this one. Okay, so we have the static pages manager. That is the one we're looking for. Let me get inside my super admin, more, static pages manager, and we have to add a page, news, ordering, no, ordering news. Then we put, oh, here is the link, ordering news. So here we put again the check out our latest class over YouTube. We can set up a link here, which is this one, insert it, make it centered. This is saved and this is the new link. So now if we go in the language manager and look for the second link in the footer, yes, this is the ref, so we have to add a pages, then a slash, bring news. Now let's try it out. Open a new incognito to force this. This is big enough. Let me move the screen. Yeah, it is the, but I was showing the pictures at the bottom left. Look, it will be the build. So I have to build it again, but I want to show you the another example of an easier way. So let me just test this one and we will test the other one, the one where we have to update and build the website. So this one is resending to the, yeah. So this is one way. As you can see, finally we get it working. And the other way for the builder to work is that we have to to update the website. Let me show you. Okay, like that. And then we go inside the website. I will create the new page. It's called pages. So I will change the third link after this is built. So now we log in as super admin. We click in more. This is still building. We click in language manager. We look for the third one, which is called news, only news. And footer. Oh, let's look for the name. Link one slash. Okay. This will be news 2. This will be pages. As I remember, it's going to have pages. Oh no, it's news.html. Let me see if I get it right. This is already built. Let's force the clear the clear of the cache. Demo before. Screen goes here. We have that. Yeah. So to put the footer from your pages on the builder, you have to set up a .html at the end of the link in the footer. If not, if you wanted to do everything in your editor, you have to create the pages and name it like this. Your domain slash pages slash ordering, well, your domain, and the about us, I mean, just only redirect the link, you know. So those are the 3 ways, easier ways to do it. Not that easy, but easier. However, someone mentioned too, if we can add the download buttons. So yeah, we can. Let me show you. We have an article for that also. I will try it myself. This will be download buttons. Add download from the store buttons. It is called. Mhm. This requires a little bit more coding. I will show you how. I will try my best to get it working the first time. So here we have to get, these are the buttons. Who asked me that? Let me get back to that. So Ricardo, if you're still here, I will show you how. If not, everyone take a look at this because this is very, very important. So you can get your links here for your apps, for the customer apps. So first we have to get in our ordering builder, and then we have to download the homepage content file, the HTML file. So we get in the builder, then we get in the builder. Okay, log in. We go inside the website that we are editing right now. We go in developers tool, homepage content, this one. We download it. You can use any tool to see the code. Right now, I think I have Sublime here. Let me get it. Sublime. Let me see. Let me open it. Okay, this is opening. Okay, here. Oh, here it is. Okay, it is opening. Maurice, thank you. That worked. Okay, let it open. It should not take longer. Verifying. Sometimes the internet is bad. Sorry about it. Open it. Okay, now it's open. We will drop the file that we just downloaded, which is going to be like this. As you can see in the article, it shows the same. So when you download it, you can use, we recommend you to use Sublime Text, Notepad++, or anything you want. You need to replace the downloaded code with this one. Now, this is the HTML that we have to set up, the new one, instead of this one. So we just put the new one, save it, and upload. We have to upload the last file in the same file that we just downloaded. Change for this one that is saved. Open. So we update, right? Now the website knows that it has to show new things. After this is changed, we have to also go back here in images inside your website and change these two buttons. The App Store and Play Store buttons are here, and the system already knows that it has to take these ones and and um, and send it to the website you need, which I show you. Let me show you where. Okay, now that this is built, it'll take like the default ones. So if we build it, let it build, it'll take just a second. I'm going to look for those links. So more language manager, downloads, allow, download, no, Store. Play Store. Let me see. I might be missing something here. Please change the section code that says this is the link that I need. Oh, did I? Section code that says replace this with your. Oh, it's inside the code. Sorry. Let me get back. Once it is changed, this I will take the ones. Um, Let me grab a code of my own so we can take a look. You know what? We have a code in the website. I will show you. So we go in live demos here. I will just grab the App Store code. Yeah, this is me. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So let me get this one. This is the one I need. And we have the other one here. I will have it also. So now if we go back in the file, replace with your Google Play. The Google Play is this one, and replace with your App Store, which is this one. Save this, close it, upload it once more here, change it, okay, open it, update, and build, just like always. If you're having any questions, please just type them in the chat. I will get back to those. Build. I will build the website. The cool thing about this is just one-time setup. So once you get it done, that's it. You don't have to worry about it unless the link changes or something. Let this build. Okay, just a little bit more. Few minutes. Okay, now this will reload, and let me see if I can see the changes, or if I just have to close like everything to clear cache the other way. I will force it right now, but it might need just to close incognito and get it back on. So here they are, right? And now if I click one of these, it sends me to my app. For example, if I am on the phone, when I get inside ordering dot order no, what was the demo? Mauricio demo before. Mauricio, let me show you. I will show you something here. Mauricio demo before dot ordering dot ordering dot co go. So let me let this reload. Okay, it's loading. I'll show you. Hello, can you hear me? Hello, hello. Can you hear me? I think it. Can you hear me? Please let me know. My internet just shut down for some reason. Everything good, Maurice? I was gone just for a few seconds, I think. Okay, I think we're back. So Let me know if there's something missing. I will get back to it. When I'm on the phone as customer, let me make myself bigger so I can show you. So here I can click on the App Store. It will tell me to open the app, and it'll send me directly to my app. So for example, imagine you have your app already in the stores. You promote your website, and then inside your website you promote your apps, and the customers will be able to just download it by clicking a button. Right now I can open it because I have it installed, but if not, it'll say download, and that's it. You can save. You can inform everyone about it that is ready. Okay, that is a way to add the buttons, the buttons on your website. Let's see what else do we have about this part in the footer section and below. Also, one more thing, this image can be changed in your builder just by changing the images here. The one that says home phone image, something like that. Let me show you. Home phone image, yeah. So you can get the best professional look and experience for your customers, you know? Okay, now that's done. Let me see if I can find something that I might be missing for the footers. Footer, nope, nope, nope. Oh, let's go. I will show you the apps. It's not the footer, but it's the sidebar. Let's say the menu that is on your app. Let me make myself. Where am I? Okay, here. This one. Let's. I will show you how to change that one very quickly. Okay, so we go inside app, pages, article. Oh, this one. So we have this. Following tutorial. Blah, blah, blah. Now we go into the. No, but there's a ordering part for. Let me show you the product builder. Let me get in the ordering app. Now we go in pages. We create a new one. News app. News app. This time I will make it bigger because I will show the browser example. Okay, I add this. This is added. Oh, it's loading. Now edit content. This is the same. Remove. Or you can leave it like this. It's just for test. Testing my app sidebar menu. Okay, this will be like that. We go back home, which is the builder right now. We go inside the app. The page is created here. Now, if we build, let me try this, the demo website. Let's just let it gather information and build the new app. No questions so far. I mean, I know this might come confusing in some things, but uh, you can see the videos as many times as needed to understand how it works. So now, if I click here, I forgot to. This is the pages. This is the app pages. You can, yeah, but see. Okay, this is for the website. Let it load. Just 1 second. Okay. Well, let me look for the right ordering app. Sidebar. Quick guide for business app. No. And let's say app pages. App pages of resumes of your apps. But no, this is the one that we already take a look at. Okay, here is the one. Let's look for this. For example, this already created. Okay. This is for Arabic. In the replace section, you must put the name plus HTML, and you can also add an icon. So let's do this. Let's go one by one. Write down the title you want to change of your page. You want for your page. This field with direction of your page, space and comma are not allowed. The section currently there is no untitled. We are going to improve this in further months. Okay. Clicking on this will add your page to your apps. Clicking on okay, we are talking about those. Now the image resources. So we have to look for this. Search. This is for Arabic. Important. Where goes this icon? This icon goes. This is icon text. Icon right. Okay, this is the one that we put. Let me take a look at the ordering app. That's this one. Because I want to see the sidebar. Oh, tutorials. So we don't have. Oh, you know what? I think I forgot to. Build demo. Let me check this and I will log in. My profile. Log in. I think I have the customer demo one. Customer ordering.co. Customer. My order settings. Okay, we don't have it here. It says the version. So we have to get into the developers. And then filter will yes. Okay, this is edited. We have to look for this file inside search and replace. Apparently, file. Where was it? File search. File is this. I think this is a file. Name changes. Map. Sidebar menu. I'm going to search for this. Oh, search for this. No, for this. Here, replace it for this. I will just use the dummy, the demo ones to show you. Here is saying that it should be set in the sidebar. It should have a heart icon and stuff, right? We have this, but let's wait. your page HTML. This is going to be, did I say it? News app? Yeah, news app, I think it was. So we change that. Okay, this is the icon that I will use. We can use as the ones that we need. Now it's going to be redirecting to this one. Try the search, found to replace, add this. This is added, update, saved. Let me upgrade the version because I think that's what we missed also. This is 22.3, something like that. I don't know. Let's just put something higher, always higher. Build the apps. Oh no, build demo. Sorry, build demo. Let me close the last one. This one. Update. If you have any questions, please type them in the chat. I'll be happy to answer them. If you have any questions about what's going on here, you can see the tutorial as many times as needed in the video. This gets upload after the stream. Okay, we are back here. Now if we open this, oh, done, new page here, and well, since this is the browser, it will send me to that. But if it is installed in my app, it will send to the new app. As you can see, this got added just like that here. Let's say, for example, if you want your, I don't know, to send some news to all your customers, you can add a button here saying news, and you redirect them to a page where you put all the news for your business and everything, or maybe something like how it works, your platform, something like that, and then your customers will see something like this, which is very helpful for them. All this is to improve the customer experience and be more professional about how your products looks and everything. So that's it, guys. That's how to change the footer in three different ways. How to add the buttons, how to clear cache. We did that a lot, and how to add a sidebar menu, a new option. Uh, what do you think? Do you have any questions? Uh, Please let me know in the chat if you have any questions, so I can answer them for you. I'll just give it about 5 minutes before we go to answer all your questions. Maurice, George, Wayne, any question? Any questions? Everything was clear, just like I'm very very good explaining or something, or what? Please let me know if there's any questions. Also, please help me to know what you want to talk about in these lessons, because maybe there's something else that you want to know, and I'm just uh, helping a few of you. Take take a look here in this site. You have a form here to submit the suggestions, right? Let me send it to you here. What do you think, George? Wayne, no questions. Maurice, no questions. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Just 2 more minutes for questions. Tomorrow's lessons will be delivery, um, automation, and how it works with ordering. So that's a very important one. Important thing also to bear in mind is that the delivery products come in the ordering plus delivery bundle and in the platinum. So bear that in mind. But tomorrow I will show you how to assign orders to drivers, how many orders per driver can be assigned, the radio to be delivered, a few more things. A very important things for your business. You will see the video again, George. Amazing. I think it is solved then. You just have to recap everything. Well, guys, I think we can finish today's class. There are no questions. I'm not sure to feel just happy because I explained it very right, or the subject is just complex and you have to take a look at the video again. It's fine by me. If you have any questions, don't forget to create a ticket or submit an email to support. We are here to help you, and thank you very much for joining. The video gets uploaded after this stream is finished, and that's it. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow's class is delivery automation with ordering. Okay, guys, have a great day. Be safe, please. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.